Give your windows a charming classic East Coast feel with the traditional style of Mayne's Yorkshire Window Box. The durable 100% vinyl construction offers a low-maintenance solution and cleans with just a simple rinse of a garden hose. The UV inhibitors within the vinyl allows for a long-lasting, fade-free performance, which allows you to enjoy your window box all year long with very little winter preparation. This window box features a double wall design, creating a water reservoir, and designed with an overflow hole so your roots won't be at risk for rotting. All window boxes come with powder-coated steel wall mount brackets for the perfect amount of support. The Yorkshire Window Box is not only visually appealing, but it is practical for any home. Since the panels can be cut to create a custom fit for any window, choose between a 2-foot to 8-foot model and add instant curb appeal that will sure to be noticed. A 15-year limited warranty protects you against bulging, fading, and cracking.